Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Andreser108 here, and I am back with yet another video. So, it's been a bit of a while, but don't worry. This is more meant to be like, an update video regarding my actual videos instead of my game. But don't worry, I am going to talk about my game in this video too. So, I'm gonna start off on why I haven't really uploaded in the last 2 weeks. And it's actually really simple. There's this problem that I'm tackling with, and it's been really stretching itself out. I didn't expect it to, take this long to solve it, and I still didn't solve it, by the way. So, and due to my, quote-unquote perfectionist nature, I always try to make my game look as good as possible when I upload it on my video, and seeing the bad things that this thing that's happening I can't solve has just prevented me from actually recording footage and uploading what updates I did for my video. But it's time that at least I let you guys know on what's going on, as it's not fair for for you guys who are interested in my project to not let you know on what's going on. So basically, the problem is that the hover car, it tries to orient itself towards the ground, so it would hover properly. So for example, if it's on a slope, it will align itself toward the slope, so it would help itself upwards. But obviously, it's not as simple as that. If the car is traveling at very high speeds, the terrain under it could change a lot, which leads that it needs to update quickly, and not only that, it has to operate and turn quickly. And since I'm using a physics-based approach, it's not as simple as just setting the rotation. It's you need to try to find a way where you can make it react fast enough by adding torque, but at the same time, like, not overshoot or make it so that it would hit the ground or just fly off in the distance. So it's really hard. I've tried a lot of things, like PID controllers, my own custom damping system and stuff, other ways on how you can change how much force is being applied to turn the vehicle. I have tried so much, but it's not working out. I'm not gonna give up, don't worry. It's just that I just wanted to let you know that that's the reason why I haven't been uploading thus far. But I figured that, again, it's time that I at least let you guys know. What else? But that doesn't mean I haven't done anything else. For example, the one thing that I can actually remember is that I implemented a much more accurate turning system in the hover car, because you see, what I did before to make the hover car turn is that I only applied certain torque just to turn the vehicle, and in a way that's not realistic, because you're just applying a certain force to turn, and that's it. Now what I did is that it sort of implemented a Airbrake system where it would add the force to the side of the car, and then according to the speed it turns a certain amount. So if you're at 0 kilometers per hour and you try to turn, the vehicle's not going to turn. But if you're at full speed, the vehicle's going to turn a lot. And even though it's honestly a bit more annoying than how it was before, it's much more accurate. And right now I'm trying to lean more towards accuracy, and then I'll try to make it a bit more fun later on. Another thing I added is a new model. And it's sort of like that hover persistence test that I did, the 2 giant humps, but much more forgiving, because it's not like those two humps. It's just a very steep incline, then just straight away, and then and the decline towards the ground again. So it's much more forgiving. I think I'm gonna try to start using it more often, because it's more probable that you would see something like that in the game rather than whatever that hover persistence test is. Another thing which I don't really have footage for is that I'm actually using some software right now to help me generate some terrain. And what I'm using this terrain for is to test out the hover vehicle's not persistence, hover vehicle's ability to hover on rough terrain at high speeds. And like I said before, the problem with that is the actual orientation thing. So I really need to try to solve it. I'm trying as much as possible right now, but I'm not getting much results, and again, that's why I haven't been uploading. So I'll promise that in the future I'll try to work harder to fix that stupid orientation problem thing. But anyways, I think that's actually all I have to say. Oh wait, never mind. I have one more thing. In the future, I will also try to change the format of my videos. And what I mean by that is, right now, how I'm uploading the videos are slightly, it's more towards like, I think it's more entertaining to like people who are also game developers, because I explain a lot of things in the video, and for people who are, you know, just into it to see the new features and stuff, they're not going to get into the technical details or want all of the updates like straight in their face. So the idea that I had on how I want these videos in the future is that instead of making like a general update video and explaining the features I did, I should actually turn it around and like prioritize the features that I want to show rather than the video. And what I mean by that is that instead of the video being around the update, I should make a video around a particular feature. So if I say made a new something on the AI, I would make a video dedicated to that AI part. And even though there will be technical details regarding the AI, I think it would be much more forgiving to the viewers, because they are able to absorb information easier, because I'm not talking about a lot of stuff at the same time. So I think I'm gonna start doing that soon, because it will also make my videos much easier to upload for me, since they would be smaller. But yeah, that's all I have to say really. So thank you guys for watching. Again, sorry for not having much footage and video and stuff. But at least I thought that I should share what's going on with you guys. And yeah. Thanks for watching, and see you all later. Have a nice day.